The first thing you will notice when you load up store operations after installing Catalog View is the button to activate it on the right-hand side. Click on this to load Catalog View. Note that the program may be configured to automatically pop up the Catalog View screen in the beginning of each transaction. You will notice that the screen automatically defaults to the last screen that was used. As you can see, we now have a more graphical display of certain inventory items that cannot be barcoded and therefore cannot be scanned at point of sale. For the purpose of this demonstration, we have included products from 3 different retail industries: chocolate and confectionery shops, grocery shops that sell produce, and cafes or delis. Retail Hero's Catalog View allows you to have multiple departments set up in Dynamics RMS. And for the purpose of this demonstration, those departments will represent the 3 different retail industries as previously described. Let's begin with the assorted chocolates from our chocolate confectioner. When we click on this department, we are now taken to another screen that breaks down the different types of chocolate by category, exactly the same way as departments and categories are structured in RMS. When we click on each individual category, we can see what types of chocolates are being sold and in what size boxes. Categories can also be useful in a cafe environment. As you can see from this screen, we have all the items being sold in the cafe on one screen. The items here are arranged in alphabetical order, but if we wanted to organize this more efficiently, we could also categorize the items just like we did with the chocolatier. In this case, we would put all cakes and pastries in one category, all teas, coffees, and other beverages in another category, all salads in another, and so on. Now you're starting to see how Retail Hero's Catalog View can be applied to multiple retail industries across the board. If we look at our example of a produce section of a grocery store, you can appreciate how easy and intuitive it would be for cashiers to be able to look up items such as broccoli or cherry tomatoes without having to search through dozens of item lookup code numbers. Thanks to Retail Hero's Catalog View and its ability to integrate with retail weigh scales, items that are sold by weight can be easily entered accurately and efficiently. Let's take a look now at how a typical order would be processed using Catalog View. If you haven't already done so, open Catalog View by clicking on the designated button on the right-hand side. Using our coffee shop department, let's order a few beverages and some food. To order a single item, you simply click on the appropriate item with the corresponding picture attached. To order multiple quantities of the same items, use the calculator buttons on the right-hand side to quantify and then select the item you wish to order. Notice how your order is now being summarized on the Transaction Preview window. If you need to delete an item at any time during the ordering process, you can simply highlight it in the preview window and press the delete button. If you need to erase the entire order and start over, you can press the delete key to the right with a picture of the world on it. Let's go ahead and order some items again now, and this time we're going to process the transaction as if the customer was going to pay. Once we have everything ordered and we are ready to complete the transaction, you simply press the To POS button to be returned to the regular RMS screen. Once here, you tender the transaction as normal. It's that easy. As you witnessed in the previous section, the configuration of Retail Hero's Catalog View is very simple. But there is one flag in the Configuration Manager that you might like to activate if you know you're going to be using the Catalog View on a consistent basis. That flag is called Enable Automatic Pop-up. If this flag is checked, then every time you finish tendering a transaction, Retail Hero's Catalog View will automatically pop up again, ready for you to process the next order. One final thing to note on the Catalog View screen is the section called Popular Items, located on the bottom of the screen. This not only shows you what your hot-selling items are for the day, but also provides you with the additional convenience of having hotkeys for faster ordering of your most popular items. For more information on this or any of our other RMS add-ons, please contact Retail Hero today.